volleyball ground. What is where? But he says that when we are down on the earth, the things look haphazard, unplanned. We are not able to understand why the things are there where it actually is. But he says that when he's up in the air, we can easily figure out why the valleys are populated. Now, why are valleys populated? Because valleys consist of rivers, water, vegetation, natural resources. One is something which gives us an aerial view. The word is made from air. Fine? Aerial means Hawaii. The word is made from air. So I had already given you the projects to make an aerial view of the campus we live in, and you have selected several places. किससे पढ़ते हैं? Religion. Class. मतलब the mysteries of nature can be solved, but the mysteries of human brain cannot be solved. So this is something which is in our control. We can control what we have created. So if we have learned to hate, then of course we can learn to love. Because love is natural and hate is learned. Fine? एक प्यार जो है वो नेचुरली हमारे अंदर है और नफरत करना हमने सीख लिया है. So if we can learn to hate, then of course we can learn to love, because that comes naturally to us. So the poet wants to tell us that we need to learn to love our other fellow human beings.
The cardboards. One was pasting paper, one of the dormitory. Here is the main entrance gate of our dormitory, and it is a signboard. When we enter here, in the right hand side, it is our auntie's room, and here is a bench. And this is the floor where we used to do our evening assembly, and this is the neem tree. And in the both side of it, here are senior houses, G2 house, and this is a jam. And in the left side of it, here is a water cooler, and we come in the here are two junior houses, G3 and G4 house, and there are benches in front of the houses. The group grew our bonding and friendship with each other.
And we enter from the main gate, and there is a guard room, and there is a gym, and decoratively written "I love Navodaya." We are very fond of clicking photos there. This is academic area with an auditorium and Udaya lab. There is a girls ground and boys ground. There is a basketball ground and volleyball ground and kho-kho ground and kabaddi ground. There is a temple nearby the grounds, and there is a big water tank nearby basketball ground and new dome. It supplies water to our whole.
One and all. Myself Abhay Kumar Vike. I am a student of PMC Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Kaniwada, Sydney. We learned that the poem is geography lesson. According to the poem, we all made the junior boys dormitory. Our group has 6 members. Gipendra, Anmol.
यही तो मुख्य है. But then what to say? Yeah, academic block. Academic block. Look at your name, ना बेटा अभी. While making these projects, we got to know what thought process goes into building these structures. The lesson, The Treasure Within, which is about Hafiz, contractor who is an architect. So I'm expecting that you must have learned a lot while making these projects, enjoyed the process, and there will be many architects sitting among us today, and at present we have replicated the existing structures, but in future I'm expecting that you will be making the structures depending on your intelligence and your experiences. So I wasn't to see you with these projects. It's very inspiring, and in fact I have enjoyed witnessing witnessing your presentations. Thank you very much for it.